started, they say, with a clack in a tunnel that gathered the restless, the impatient, the disconnecting, and the disconnected. A circle formed in soot and ash amidst the broken rock, beneath the trackbed, Olivettis, and Underwoods at the stations of the clock. Typists looking inward. And from the circle emerged smudged piles of foolscap and onion skin, corrosible bond, linen, cotton laid, and handpaper, porous and rough, unspooling through rollers, carriages returning with a smack. One day, Curious and Curiouser, twins formerly known as the Two Carols, arrived with triangular partner's desk, salvaged from the defunct advertising firm, morbidly sincere della Femmina, placing it firmly at Circle's center, seating themselves before their instruments, leaving the third side with the typewriter ghost and a looped recording blaring, "Is Holy," through a cracked cassette desk, three-inch speaker that entrained the oracular typists, whose utterances lifted through subway grates like steam to the street, evaporating before they could be seized, codified, linked, tagged, tweeted, liked, loved, laughed at, and shared. But all that came later.